What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your nearby friends on Instagram. So let's get started. What you have to do first, you have to go to on your Instagram account. Okay, after opening the Instagram account you have to click on search, then you have to click on search again. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. After doing so, you have to type your city name that you have lived in. I'm living in Dammam, that's why I'm searching Dammam. Okay, after searching your city name, you have to scroll a little bit, then you have to find a option called place. You have to click on this option, then you will see a full address of your city. You have to click on this one. After that, you have to click on recent. There is two options, top and recent. You have to click on recent. So there are many people that are lived in Dammam and they are recently posted on their Instagram account from this city. So if you want to find them out, you can see their profile just like this. Okay, then you can DM them, otherwise you can follow them from here. So this is how you can find any friends or your nearby people on in Instagram. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.